Hey, it's Lorna here, and in this video I am showing you how I tint my own brows. At the moment we've been getting so much sunshine, which I've absolutely loving, but it also means that the sun makes my eyebrows blonde. If only it would make my roots blonde. Look at them! Ah! Anyway, that can be a job I can do another day. So can I just say, please remember to do a patch test, which is testing a small amount of the mixed product behind your ear 24 hours before you carry this out. Any irritation at all, then don't apply it to your brows. I absolutely love this. I do it every, say, 3 to 4 weeks, and I just think it just gives my brows that wee bit more of a definition. So first of all, you're going to start with a brow that has your favourite shape, and what you're going to do is you're tinting the hair in small amounts at a time, only tinting the hair. However, if you feel a bit more confident and you want to maybe make them a bit bigger looking, you can actually tint the skin as well, just to thicken up those areas. So as you can see, my brows are sisters and not twins, so now I've got to try my best to match them up to my favourite brow. So what you have to do here is just keep checking and double checking. So just take a wee second to look back over the two brows and match them up as best you can. You can use a cotton bud to remove any areas that you think, oh no, I've maybe went a bit thicker than I should, or that shape's not quite right. Then always have cotton buds handy, because you don't want to tint areas of the skin and then look as if you've got dodgy patches. So if you have never tinted your brows before, I would suggest that you maybe get yourself a eyebrow pencil and just draw them on and check what shape it is you like, and make sure that you feel confident before you go ahead and actually tint your own brows, because you might end up giving them a wee shape that you're not too keen on, and then you're stuck with them for a couple of weeks. So I think that's always best to just test out first. So once I'm happy with the shape, I usually leave it on for at least a minute. However, they do recommend that you should only leave it on for maybe like 30 seconds, and you can go back in and do them again if you feel that they're not quite dark enough. But for me, I know that I do like it that wee bit darker. So I'm just going in with a cotton pad here with water on it and just wiping off all the product. And then you can see there the difference in my brows. Superb! I hope you enjoyed the video. I will put a link below for the products. Please, please, please subscribe. Loads more to come.